Guys, we did it.
Man, this is like, like almost a little bit surreal now sitting in my BC greenhouse here. I think it was maybe 11 or 12 years ago now, my parents, they decided to get a BC greenhouse themselves. It has brought so much joy to really like everyone in the family. The number of fond memories that I have of going out there, whether it's in a morning or in the afternoon during the summertime, and harvesting tomatoes, basil, cucumbers with my parents, my nieces, and then getting to enjoy that all together on the back deck, again, on one of those like warm summer mornings or evenings with the people that I love most in the world, has just been such an amazing memory.
And there's one goal, one hope for this week, and that is to get the BC greenhouse installed and off to the races. So let's get to it.
Alrighty, we are into the crux of the problem here with getting this tree out. So we got a nice foundation to put the greenhouse on. Besides, got to head off for the evening here, but I know what I'll be doing for the weekend. Have fun.
I'm mega nervous for Nathan from BC Greenhouses to get up here and take a look at it. Oh God, this is a moment of truth that I've been nervous for.
Oh, this looks pretty good.
There we go. We literally finished working like maybe 15 minutes ago, and take a look at this already. Since then, there's like all this hail and snow coming down. It's sitting on top of the glass up here where we've already installed the glass. Still gotta get a couple more in tomorrow. I'm not sure why I'm saying we, because I didn't do anything today. Nathan's an absolute legend. But literally less than a few hours in, and we're getting our first stress test on the greenhouse. Guys, we've got a bit of a problem situation on our hands. Look at this. This is the amount of rain that we've gotten this week. But fortunately, I now have a BC greenhouse in place. Guys, are you serious right now? It's April, and this is what we're looking at. Unreal. All right, let's get on the scale real quick. Now, as I get this set up, I just want to give a massive shout out to BC Greenhouse. This is just bananas that this amount of greens is coming out of the garden, and this greenhouse wasn't even set up 6 weeks ago. Unbelievable. Thank you, BC Greenhouse, for supporting the 1,000-pound challenge.